This is the kitchen of my latest listing at 1011 Brodie Street, unit number 5. It's a 2-bedroom, 2.5 bath condo that looks and feels and acts like a house with its own fenced yard and no attached walls, so it's completely freestanding. It's located on the corner of the condo community, so you don't have to go through the main gate to access it. But what's best is that this is located in the heart of all things cool in 78704 in a neighborhood otherwise known as Bouldin. It's blocks away from South Lamar, Alamo Draft House, and Uchi, and tons of other places, as well as South First, where there's Elizabeth Street Cafe and Polvo's, and so many cool places to eat and hang out. I will be holding this house open on Saturday from noon to 3, so be sure to stop by, and if you can't make it to the open house and you need to schedule a private showing, be sure to reach out. I'd be happy to show you. Once again, 1011 Brodie Street, unit number 5. The open house is Saturday from noon to 3, and I will see you there.